Hello, my name is Jeff Spalding with Caracal USA. Today I have for you the Caracal F, making its debut at SHOT Show 2012 into the U.S. market. What we have here is our Caracal F, full size, truly ambidextrous magazine release. Will be operated, start the fight with your right hand, finish the fight with your left. No need to make any modifications. They operate on a truly independent dual magazine release spring on the internals. Operates fully independent of one another. The weapon has been designed from the ground up to be very agile, to allow for very fast target acquisition, very fast follow-up shots, and extreme recoil management. In doing so, we've provided a very deep and high tang. You will also notice the slide itself is greatly reduced in mass and weight in efforts to reduce felt recoil. The bore of the muzzle, or the bore axis, has been lowered 4 millimeters, bringing the recoil deeper into the shooter's hand. You'll notice the center axis of the bore is very deep into my hand. Makes the weapon very easy to manage and very easy to control during rapid trigger manipulations. Our trigger is proprietary. Operates very similar to most composite striker pistols with a few outstanding exceptions. To press the trigger safety, take the slack out. From this point, we are at 2.2 kilos from trigger break, 5 pounds roughly. It breaks 90 degrees with the firing pin, very clean, very crisp, no over travel. As I add pressure, breaks very clean. From this point on the reset, we have 24 Newton-pounds on the firing pin spring, which allows for a very tactile reset. You can feel it in your fingertip. There's a reset. Press from here. Very clean break at 90 degrees. Takedown for the pistol is extremely simple. Simply maintain your firing grip. Takedown levers are located here on either side of the frame. Firing side, support side. Simply maintain your firing grip. Add pressure with your trigger finger and your support thumb on the 2 takedown levers. The slide is now detached from the frame. Simply remove it. What you see now is our modular slide system. We operate a steel slide on a steel slide rail. All of this is modularly done, modular conception. We have 2 push pins, one located here, other here. Press the pins out. Remove the slide rail system for internal work on the frame, whether it's deep cleaning, whatever it may be. The actual system itself is removable. It can be operated on the armorer's bench, your end table, your coffee table, whatever the case may be. Simply reinstall the modular system, press the pins back. Your now frame is reassembled. Following along with that modular design, we have a self-contained recoil spring. The barrel, manufactured in-house, UAE, Abu Dhabi. Everything on the weapon is manufactured in-house, United Arab Emirates, in Abu Dhabi. Looking at this firing mechanism, it's obviously sets itself apart from the others. It's all proprietary design, which provides for our clean trigger break at 90 degrees, very clean press. You will notice on this one, what we're looking at here is where the rear sight would be. However, it's not here. I'll show you why in a second. This is all one modular unit. Should the firing mechanism need to be removed from the weapon to, say, replace firing pin springs, extractor springs, whatever the case may be, simply press out 1, 2, 3 push pins. The entire unit is removed as one unit. It can be worked on again on the armorer's table, your coffee table, or end table, whatever the case may be. Rebuilt apart from the slide, reinstalled in the slide, and the push pins pressed back in to complete your slide. Reassembly is very simple. Simply drop in the barrel, reinstall the recoil spring. You will now notice that our slide rails, very long slide rails, adds to the durability of the weapon, adds to the recoil management, and reduces the muzzle flip. Now, we do offer 3 sight systems, a standard 2-dot figure 8 style, a 3-dot, as well as this proprietary design quick sight. What we've done with the quick sight is remove the rear notch, placed it in front of the ejection port. What that does is allows the rear sight and the front sight to both operate on the same focal plane, as well as reduces the sight radius, allows for very quick target acquisition, very rapid follow-up shots. We find it to be very, very effective. The weapon still maintains its inherent accuracy, as we had many shooters media day able to get 4 out of 5 hits on a 100-meter man-sized steel silhouette with our short sight radius quick sight. And that is the Caracal F with the quick sight. We offer all of our sight options on the Caracal C as well. Here you see a Caracal C with the sight radius, shortened sight radius with the quick sight. And that is the Caracal C and F with our quick sight option.